friendly solution. Howard shows us how to make caramel dipped chocolate apples in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to holiday gift giving, nothing is more special or more personal than giving something that's homemade. So this year, we're sharing one of our favorite budget-friendly homemade gifts, caramel dipped chocolate apples. Watch how easy these are to make. First thing you want to do is make sure you start with the right apples. You want ones that are firm and semi-sweet like Granny Smith, Gala, or Fiji. Next, we're going to slowly melt some caramels with a bit of water in a saucepan over low heat. While that's doing its thing, we'll insert a craft stick in the center of each apple, and once the caramel is silky smooth, we'll spoon it over the apples, making sure they're completely coated. When the caramel sets up, we spoon on a layer of molten chocolate, which we made by melting chocolate chips. Now comes the fun part. You get to customize each apple for everyone on your list. You can use anything from candies and nonpareils to chopped nuts, pretzels, or even crushed potato chips. Go ahead and get creative to make these truly special. To get the recipe for our caramel dipped chocolate apples, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a ooey gooey giftable way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.